When we think about technology, we imagine artificial intelligence, machine learning, GPUs, the usual shooting match. But maybe, just maybe, we should be thinking about this, a gigantic Chevron floating production unit smack in the middle of the Gulf of Mexico. I know in a day when the Dow declined 141 points, S&P advanced 0.21%, NASDAQ gained 0.76%, it might seem strange to chopper 140 miles offshore to see this brand spanking new monster. But I think it's worth it, because energy is the driving force behind much more than you think that's happening in this stock market. Now, we know that today's belong to Elon Musk. The man told a story last night that he should have told when he had that robo-taxi meeting earlier this month. He talked about how his new electric vehicles were ready to go live and that Tesla would self-drive and much more profitable than people think. Much more, by the way, certainly more profitable than anyone else in the industry. Oh, it was a tour de force, standing ovation conference call. Tesla deserved that rally because it never should have been down so much in the first place. But then Musk took a shot at the internal combustion engine. He said gasoline-powered cars will soon be a niche business. He invoked the horse with a veiled reference to the buggy. I say, wait a second. Chevron's a big-thing company, too. CEO Mike Wirth, our guest tonight, did not spend more than $5 billion in this thing because fossil fuel-powered cars will be a niche business. Elon Musk, well, he talks a better game than just about anyone. And I think Tesla's got tons more room to run. How about that? But he's wrong on this. In the meantime, Chevron stock is hostage to the price of oil and gas and has no control of either commodity. Plus, it costs a fortune to get oil from the bottom of this deep blue sea. By the way, it's like all the way down where Everest is. I mean, in terms of height, you know. And then pipe it to the refinery and then truck it to the gas station, where then they can sell it to you for about $3 a gallon. Same price it's been for a while. But this is not just a grudge match between the old and the new, a battle of electric vehicles versus internal combustion. The truth is, fossil fuels are essential for a lot more than vehicles, like it or not.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.